He's called in the desert of the hurt. He heard without a map, without ground. He left the earth only with faith in his hand. A promise greater than reason. God spoke, he then said, I will go even without seeing. Heaven saw Abraham believe. When everything seemed lost, the promise made him remain. Abraham, father of faith, believed without touching, stood tall. Even crying, he chose to trust. God made the impossible happen. Years passed, silence and pain, but the covenant did not fail. Sarah smiled, Isaac was born, what was dead revived. On the mountain, he took his beloved son, torn heart, heavy step, and before the pain won, God provided. May heaven be sad. The faith that bleeds but does not fall obeys. Even when it hurts, the altar tests the interior. But God reveals his love. If he spoke, he will fulfill it. Even if everything witness. Faith doesn't live by what it sees, it lives by the dead who is. Whoever believes in the dark will see the promise rise. If God spoke, it's not an illusion. We called, we went, we trusted you. God honored. Never again. Father of faith, today teaches you and me. Whoever obeys will see God make the impossible happen. I believe, I will, I trust.